Hello everyone, myself Halunde SS. In this video, I am going to share information about career opportunities in electronics and telecommunication engineering. Every end of year, passing engineer is an electronics and telecommunication engineer. And everyone has questions like, what should I do? How much will I earn? Where will I work? We are looking answers of these questions. Electronics and telecommunication engineering job opportunities can be divided into two categories: hardware and software jobs. Hardware jobs can be again classified into three categories: design, research and production. Design jobs are related to mostly designing and testing of new electronic components and products like TV, mobile. Now it requires knowledge of subjects like mathematics, electronics. Research jobs are mostly related to new product development like high-speed computing, sophisticated control system. It requires high skill of maths and electronics along with programming language and control system. It is also considered to be high profile job in hardware. Production jobs are mainly related to manufacturing of electronic components and also in maintenance in electronics component in hardware, power plant, oil, refiners. It requires practical understanding of fundamental electronic circuit boards. Software jobs are also divided into three categories: embedded coding, testing and solution architect. Embedded coding is a set of commands programming embedded and control systems like ICs and chips, etc. It requires high skill of programming language and understanding of electronics. Embedded testing verifying logic, coding control system and also functionality of hardware. It requires programming language and understanding of electronics. Solution architecture, it is a basic design logic and overall layout of product with respect to its functionality. It requires logic, maths, programming language, electronics. It is also considered as high profile job. These jobs are divided in three industries in India: public sector, government sector and private sector industries. Majority of public sectors are like BHEL, NTPC, Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum have job opportunities in production. Few PSU like BSNL, HAL, Bharat Electronics, Railways and Meteorological Department having job opportunities in design and research. This electronic engineering having equal opportunities in hardware and software. Salary for this sector is around 50 to 55,000 per month, but growth related to salary is linear. In government sector, jobs are mostly in design and research. Equal opportunities in hardware and software sectors. Major government sectors are ISRO, DRDO, BARC. Government offers around 40 to 50,000 salary per month and growth is linear. Electronics and telecommunication engineering having job opportunities in EMI, EMC test engineer, in laboratories like ERDL, ERDA, STQC, UVEL, TUV, SGS, etc. as private companies with good pay. Private sector has equal opportunity. Design and development and research salary varies in between 20 to 25k initial level and at the end 40 to 55,000 at the end. Initially salary growth is linear, but depending upon experience of work it will be exponential. Hardware companies are like Samsung, LG, Dell, etc. and Tata Telecom Services, Vodafone, Reliance, Wipro, Cisco for softwares related jobs. Okay, thank you.